Big up everybody who check in. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Now drop a comment and a like on the video and tell me what you feel like will be Prime Minister Andrew Holness response or action based on the ultimatum being given to members of CARICOM by Donald Trump and the North American government. But Cuba that has given many Caribbean countries nurses and doctors to help them with them healthcare sector. You can hear what look and listen.
I just get to understand the American government is threatening to sanction countries who use Cuban doctors and nurses. And I was very shocked to learn that Jamaica used Cuban doctors and nurses. For real. I mean, sorry, I am very shocked. I mean, over 400 Cuban doctors and nurses, biomedical engineers and technicians from Cuba in Jamaica. I am very shocked because I did not know that the Jamaica Labour Party deal with Cubans, much less Cuba. I did not know. Forgive me, Jamaica, I just did not know. Like I said, I did not know that the Jamaica Labour Party deal with Cuba. See me? Because about 50 years ago, Jamaica was sanctioned for the same shit. See? 50 years ago, Michael Manley was the Prime Minister of Jamaica, and he was friends with Cuba, Fidel Castro. See? Cuba built schools in Jamaica. See me? Let me see. I can name two of the school them. G.C. Foster and Jose Marti. See? Cubans built that. See? Michael Manley was also using Cuban doctors and nurses. See? The opposition leader at the time, Edward Seaga, was always saying Michael Manley wants to turn Jamaica into a communist country because he's friends with Cuba. You see me I say? No, America did not like that too. America did not like to see Michael Manley being friends with Cuba. You see? Now, Michael Manley, on hearing that America was upset at him being friends with Cuba, said these words: I will not allow America to dictate to me about which friends I should keep. And as long as this party is in power and I am the leader, we will tread this earth on our feet and not on our knees. Meaning, we're not about to no guy. Bro God, said that if you're bad. Said that if you're bad. Saying anyway, Michael Manley paid a heavy price after that. For real. The Secret Service were sent to Jamaica on a wide scale to every parish in Jamaica to create what? Havoc. You see me? There were riots in the street. People got hungry because what? Food was locked off from Jamaica. So when we heard Papa Eddie say he was going to lock down Jamaica tighter than a sardine tin that not even breeze can pass through, you know say he was working with America. You see me I say? For real. There were even a few attempts on Manley's life. Yeah. So with me knowing the history, and I was there, you see why I am surprised. Seeing? But now things have come full circle again. You see me I say? And me notice a bro God quiet your fuck. Seeing? The Prime Minister of Trinidad attack defending our people. And other Prime Ministers from other countries are defend for them people. But bro God not defend Jamaicans. I want to go on. Come on, bro God, you have to talk up and defend your people. Be like Michael Manley youth. How we are do? Well, he must PNP, a labor, so you can't be like him. But anyway, defend your people, bro God. Saying you're too quiet.
Now, as I say, talk to me in the comment section. The Prime Minister say, him want to be the Prime Minister and him want to continue to be the Prime Minister. This is the job for the Prime Minister. Will he do? Be giving a response that is reflected by that of the people. Meaning say, will he just try to please North America? Or will he think about the people and the Caribbean as a whole? Because Barbados Prime Minister respond already. Yeah, she said she ready for this. Stop go for it. We'll stop going North America until Trump is no longer the president. So she plan for it. She say him already was the president for a term already. You can only get 2 terms as a president. So Trump does have 4 years. So after the 4 years, there's no way possible. This is already law. There's no way possible where Trump can be the president again. So some Caribbean leaders already are say, yo, CARICOM. And them will do what the benefits CARICOM. Because keep in mind, we are saying we are about restrictions on visa and ban and Holness. The Prime Minister visa gonna be the verse visa if it get revoked. But watch out. It is not as if North America is saying or Trump is saying to Caribbean islands, watch you know, we're gonna build a special relationship with you, and just like how you can move around at the CARICOM, America will be one of those countries where you can move around in and you can get access to the first world healthcare where them say them have over there. But them not say that. And them tell we say Cuba we been a send nurse and doctor to different Caribbean countries to help them out. People will tell you some of the best nurses and doctors across the world. I'm not talking about the Caribbean. You think me don't say the Caribbean though? I'm not talking about the Caribbean across the world. Them say come from Cuba. Them say the eye program at Cuba have one of the best in the world, despite how much years now of having them situation with North America. Best in the world. Imagine if Cuba did free up, we can have the certain technological advances and certain things could have got there. Yo, a Cuba would have run the character, man. I'm telling you this. He said if Cuba never under sanctions from North America, Cuba would control the CARICOM. And that's what they might think about. They must say if Cuba eventually takes control of the CARICOM, Cuba has been loyal to Russia for years. When every other country now deal with Cuba, you know how deal with Cuba? Russia. Them never stop dealing with them yet. As a matter of fact, the issue where America have with Cuba stems from their relationship with Russia. And they say it all forward from. And years now in the future, North America and Russia still not good. So people are saying, for years, Cuba been a help out the healthcare sector in the Caribbean. For years, Cuba been a link with Russia. North America fears that should the sanctions or should eventual ties with Cuba straighten and Cuba start for sure Caribbean countries, so we not have to link with North America. We can link with other countries. Because what take place in Africa right now, African countries that say them can build them own union, circle them own resources and sell them own resources without these companies from North America, Canada, France, you name it. And them a link up with China and Russia. You see what take place? The Caribbean might not aware of these changes will take place, or these changes in a global policy. But that's why North America say, watching a man, we don't need to get Cuba out of the CARICOM right now. And I give ultimatums. Now what will the Prime Minister do? The people might wait. The people must say this is one of them important topic there. Because they must say visa restriction, ban people from travel, go America. Amount of people are family in America. Amount of people want to go America. The amount of people are dual citizen. Them both live a yard and overseas at the same time. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Until the reason again. Live, love and prosper and stay tuned.